In this video, we shall be talking about subtraction of matrices. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Solution. We say let A be equal to A11, A12 to A1n and A21, A22 to A2n. AM1, AM2 to AMN. And we have B to be equal to B11, B12 to B1N. We also have B21, B22 to B2N, BN1, BN2 to BMN. So if we have these two matrices, how do we subtract them? We move over to this side. A minus B will be equal to A11, A12 to A1N, A21, A22 to A2N, AM1, AM2 to AMN minus B11, B13 to B1N, B21, B22 to B2N, BM1, BM2 to BMN. It then means that A minus B is equal to, this is subtracted, so we have A11 minus B11, A12 minus B12 into A1N minus B1N. If you move over to the second part, we have A21 minus B21, A22 minus B22, and A2N minus B2N. We move on to the last, AM1 minus BM1. Here, AM2 minus BM2 and AMN minus BMN. So this is it. It then means that is, we can still write it in this form if say A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij. It then means that A minus B is the same thing as Aij minus Bij. So this is how we can compute the subtraction of matrix. In our subsequent videos, we will also take some examples with numbers to show the subtraction of matrix. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.